River, a large natural stream of water flowing in a channel to the sea or lake or any another stream. River do a lot of work as like human beings do. Let's discuss that. River do erosion, transportation and deposition. When river move from one place to different place, they erode the land surface and collect sand, silt, mud with them. While moving from one place to different place, they carry it. While doing the erosion, afterwards they move from one place to different place that known as transportation. And at last, when it's become heavy for them, they used to do deposition. They used to submit these all sediments that known as deposition. As like we know about the human being, we all having three different stages of life. That same way, river also having three different stages. As like in human being, we have children, adults and elderly people. That same way in river, they having three different courses as like upper, middle and lower course. When we are talking about this upper course where river originate, they collect water from the glaciers and then move towards the plain surface area. That area come under the upper course. Next, middle course where the river move in the plain surface, do meandering, make oxbow lakes like structure, and at last known as lower course where the river merge with the ocean, that area known as lower course. River system. Sources where a river begins or start. So that place from where river get water known as sources. River get water from glaciers or rainfall. When rivers start moving, some small rivers come and merge with the main river. So that smaller river known as tributary. For example, in India, Ganga is the main river and Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, Son, Yamuna and Chambal are the tributaries of Ganga river. Waterfall. When river flow from a particular height that known as waterfall. This is the main place for attracting for the people. This is the main place for the visitor to attract. For example, Niagara Fall, which is located in North America. Meander. When river flow in any plain surface areas where they get less slanty land surface. So in that condition, river instead of moving in straight direction, they start moving in left and right direction. So that known as meander. For example, if you will see that snake, how it's run from one place to different place, that same way river also move, they do meandering. It means that river bends. Oxbow Lake, when river do meandering, in that condition, when it's cutted from the main river due to the deposition, in that case, a small lake formed. So that small lake, that structure made like oxbow, and that's the reason is known as Oxbow Lake. Sometimes the river overflows its bank. While they do deposit of the layers of fine soil. They bring floods and they deposit the layers of fine soil. So that leads to the formation of the flat, fertile floodplain area. The raised banks are called levees. As the river moves towards the sea, the water flow decreases and river begins to break up into number of streams called distributaries, where the river meet with the ocean, that place known as mouth. At last, river deposit there all the sediments in a triangular-like shape that known as delta. If we will take one example of this delta, so Sundarban Delta is the largest delta in all over the world, which formed by Ganga and Brahmaputra river. Thank you.